Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's so good to see you guys, even though I can't even see you guys, but it's always good. It's always a pleasure to be on YouTube. Yeah, even though I've got 9 subscribers, I'm very grateful. But I'm gonna put my glasses back on because they're hearts, and I love you guys. I love people. I love myself. I love sharing myself with you guys. I love expressing myself, and I love giving you guys the goods, even though it's all out there, but it's coming from me. You know, it can be coming from over there, and over here, but this one is coming directly from me, Barbara B. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own homemade deodorant. Smells so delicious, and the things that you guys will need. And this is for people that is very allergic to deodorant or don't like the filmy things that deodorant puts under their arm, the filmy little white scum that deodorant puts under your arm, and you gotta go in the shower and you gotta just scrub dub like you a rubber duck in the tub in the shower. So these are the products that you need to make your own homemade deodorant, and it smells good, and it's good for kids. Kids love it. Doesn't irritate those underarms. It's all natural. Okay, so what you would need is some good old coconut oil. Everybody loves coconut oil. Coconut oil. Baking soda. I got baking soda. We got baking soda. You can buy the organic kind on Amazon, but I got this from Family Dollar. Cheap. Only $2.99. And lavender essential oil. Look at that. That's the lavender essential oil. You can order this from Amazon. You can get it from any local discount store, from Rite Aid, Dwayne Reed, any pharmaceutical sells. Everybody sells lavender essential oils these days. This is like everywhere. So, and you would also need a glass jar, or if you would like to have a plastic jar, doesn't matter. You just would need something with a cork. So, one second, you guys. Let me get that cork. Get that cork for you guys. Enjoy my little Buddha over here in the corner while I get the cork for you. Here I go. I am back and better than ever. Yes, I'm back. So here's that cork for you. Cork it up if you like. It's cute. You get this off of Amazon. Very cheap. 12 for like $6. What you do is 1, pour some coconut oil in that jar. Try to be as neat as possible. Coconut oil. Delicioso. Step 2. That baking soda. So maybe like 2/4 of the jar. If you like more, you can do so. The baking soda, same ratio. Just pour it on in. pour it on in. Yes. Baking soda. Good old baking soda. Yes. I love it. Then you add your essential oil. Your lavender, you can put any kind of oil that you like. Anything that smells good to you, that you desire. So you drop. I put like 15 to 20 drops. Oh my God. The stronger the better to me. The stronger the better. And if you like, if you also like, you can take a lavender plant, break a piece of it to give it that extra, break a piece of that extra aroma. You place it inside. Let's cut it down a little bit more. Take a little bit of that little stem and another one. Then, so you guys seen 2 sticks in your bun video. If not, go check that out. Go check that out. 2 sticks in your bun. You take a stick or anything, spatula or anything that you have. You can use a spoon. You can use anything that is available to you. You take and you stir, 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 until you get just a regular consistency that is very thin, like that. Doesn't have to be thick. It can be as thin, as thick as you like it. It doesn't matter. It's all up to you. And let's get my cork, and you just cork it up if you like. Shake it up. And me, I have a little plastic. You can put it in a bag, put it in the plastic, protect it, and put it in the bottom of the refrigerator. And then, an hour later, it's just hard, but I like it soft. I like it nice and soft. What you do is you shake it up. Shake, 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 shake it up. This is your own personal deodorant. So you shake it up, and then the oil's in the cork. And what you do is you rub it under your underarms like that. Very gentle, very easy to remove. Oh, and it smells so good. You can't lose with this one. So that's how you make your own natural deodorant. If you guys like this, please hit that subscribe button, like button, comment, anything you want to do, please do. Support your girl. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice one.